Is that it? God, why are airports so hard to find?
Hey everybody. So, this is my first video with my new plane, Miss Pearl, a restored Piper Pacer. I'm flying to Mexico Farms Airport, a grass strip right next to Cumberland Airport. And because apparently I am blind, I had a hard time actually finding the strip. Adding to the fun, there were two planes in the pattern at Cumberland, so, Alrighty, hope you enjoy this one. Let's go!
Hey, Cumberland traffic, SX 362 Bravo Papa turning crosswind 23, Cumberland. And we got you and Pacer in sight.
Right, I've got you inside as well. That can't be it. That cannot be it. That's wet. That can't be it. Just cannot be it. Is that it over there? Alright, there. That is the field.
Cumberland traffic, SX 2 Bravo Papa short final 23, Cumberland.
Pattern altitude is 1,400 feet. So,
Cumberland traffic, SX 2 Bravo Papa clear 23, Cumberland.
let's get it nice and tight. There's some terrain there. Mexico Farms traffic, Pacers entering downwind on the 45, runway 27, Mexico Farms. Okay, now at pattern altitude, more or less. Okay, so terrain in front of me, I don't want to get too close to that, so we're going to have to keep this one tight. Mexico Farms traffic, Pacer is left base, 27, Mexico Farms. Okay, there we are. Second notch of flaps in. Alright, how are we looking? Airspeed, not bad. Pitch attitude, pretty good. Descending pretty quick, but that's okay. Mexico Farms traffic, Pacer is final 27, Mexico Farms. Alright, let's see. Okay.